Chapter 3. Contemporary South Asia. Countries of South Asia: India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Maldives, Sri Lanka. The expression South Asia includes the following countries: Bangladesh, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bhutan. Afghanistan and Myanmar are often included in discussions of the region as a whole. China is not considered to be part of this region. The mighty Himalayas in the north and the vast Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal in the south, west and east respectively provide a natural insularity to the region. Political system of South Asian countries. Sri Lanka and India have successfully operated a democratic system since their independence from the British. Pakistan and Bangladesh have experienced both civilian and military rules. Till 2006, Nepal was a constitutional monarchy. In 2008, monarchy was abolished and Nepal emerged as a democratic republic. Bhutan became a constitutional monarchy in 2008. The Maldives, the other island nation, was a sultanate till 1968 when it was transformed into a republic with a presidential form of government. The people in all these countries share the aspiration for democracy. Recent surveys of attitudes of the people in the 5 big countries of the region showed that there is widespread support for democracy in all these countries. Military and democracy in Pakistan. After Pakistan framed its first constitution, General Ayub Khan took over the administration of the country and soon got himself elected. After popular dissatisfaction against his rule, General Yahya Khan came to power. During Yahya's military rule, Pakistan faced the Bangladesh crisis and after a war with India in 1971. East Pakistan broke away to emerge as an independent country called Bangladesh. After this, an elected government, under the leadership of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, came to power in Pakistan from 1971 to 1977. Bhutto was removed by General Zia-ul-Haq in 1977. General Zia-ul-Haq faced a pro-democracy movement from 1982 onwards and then an elected democratic government was established once again in 1988 under the leadership of Benazir Bhutto. This phase of elected democracy lasted till 1999. In 1999, General Pervez Musharraf removed Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif and in 2001, he elected himself as the president. It has been run by a civilian government again since 2008. Factors for Pakistan's failure in building a stable democracy. The social dominance of the military, clergy and landowning aristocracy has led to the frequent overthrow of elected governments and the establishment of military government. Pakistan's conflict with India has made the pro-military group more powerful. The lack of genuine international support for democratic rule in Pakistan has further encouraged the military to continue its dominance. The United States and other Western countries have encouraged the military authoritarian rule in the past for their own reason. Reason for strong pro-democracy sentiment in Pakistan. Pakistan has a courageous and relatively free press. It has a strong human rights movement. Bangladesh. Political history of Bangladesh. From East Pakistan to independent nation. Bangladesh as East Pakistan. Bangladesh was a part of Pakistan from 1947 to 1971. It was known as East Pakistan during this period. It consisted of the partitioned areas of Bengal and Assam from British India. Beginning of protests. Soon after partition, people began protests. They opposed unfair treatment of Bengali culture and language. People demanded fair representation in administration. They also demanded fair representation in political power. Leadership of Sheikh Mujib. Sheikh Mujib ar-Rahman led the popular struggle. The struggle was against West Pakistani domination. 1970 elections. In the 1970 elections in Pakistan, the Awami League led by Sheikh Mujibur Rahman won. It won all the seats in East Pakistan. Violence and migration. Thousands were killed by the Pakistan army. This led to large-scale migration into India. India's support. The government of India supported the people of East Pakistan. India helped them financially and militarily in their struggle for independence. 1971 War and Independence. A war between India and Pakistan took place in December 1971. Pakistani forces surrendered in East Pakistan. Bangladesh was formed as an independent country. Constitution of Bangladesh. Bangladesh drafted its constitution. It declared faith in secularism, democracy, socialism, political changes. 1975. In 1975, Sheikh Mujib amended the constitution. Government shifted from parliamentary to presidential system. He abolished all parties except Awami League. Military rule. Sheikh Mujib was assassinated in August 1975. Zia-ur-Rahman became the new military ruler. He formed the Bangladesh National Party and won elections in 1979. Rule of H.M. Arshad. Zia-ur-Rahman was later assassinated. Lieutenant Gen. H.M. Arshad became the military ruler. After pro-democracy protests, he allowed limited political activity. Return of democracy. Arshad was elected president for 5 years. Mass public protests forced him to step down in 1990. Elections were held in 1991. Present political system. Since 1991, Bangladesh has had representative democracy. It is based on multi-party elections. Monarchy and democracy in Nepal. Nepal was a Hindu kingdom in the past. Later it became a constitutional monarchy for many years. Beginning of conflict. A long conflict began in Nepal. It involved the king's forces, pro-democracy forces and the Maoists. Democratic Constitution, 1990. In 1990, the king accepted the demand for a new democratic constitution. This happened due to a strong pro-democracy movement. Weak democratic governments. Democratic governments in Nepal had a short and troubled career. Rise of Maoists. During the 1990, Maoists spread their influence in many parts of Nepal. King's action, 2002. In 2002, the king abolished the parliament. He also dismissed the government. Pro-democracy protests, 2006. In April 2006, massive countrywide pro-democracy protests took place. Leadership of movement. The largely non-violent movement was led by Seven-Party Alliance, SPA, Maoists, social activists. End of monarchy. In 2008, Nepal became a democratic republic. The monarchy was abolished. New constitution. In 2015, Nepal adopted a new constitution. Ethnic conflict and democracy in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka got independence from British rule in 1948. Sri Lanka was then known as Ceylon. Ethnic composition. The majority of Sri Lankans are ethnic Sinhalese who dominate the politics of Sri Lanka. The Sinhalese community was hostile to a large number of Tamils who had migrated from India to Sri Lanka. Tamil demands. The Tamils started demanding equal rights. They also demanded a separate country for the Tamils of Sri Lanka. Beginning of armed conflict. From 1983 onwards, the militant organization Liberation Tigers of Tamil Eelam, LTTE, fought an armed struggle with the Sri Lanka army. India's involvement. In 1987, the Government of India was directly involved in the Sri Lanka Tamil issue. The Indian Peacekeeping Force, IPKF, was sent to Sri Lanka to bring peace. Withdrawal of IPKF. In 1989, the IPKF pulled out of Sri Lanka without attaining its objective. International peace efforts. Peace talks were held with the intervention of international actors, particularly the Scandinavian countries such as Norway and Iceland. End of conflict. The armed conflict finally ended in 2009. The LTTE was defeated by the Sri Lanka government. Population control. Sri Lanka was one of the first developing countries to successfully control the rate of population growth. Constitutional monarchy in Bhutan. Bhutan is a constitutional monarchy. Bhutan became a constitutional monarchy in 2008. Under the leadership of the king, it emerged as a multi-party democracy. Sultanate and democracy in Maldives. Maldives was a sultanate till 1968 when it was transformed into a republic with a presidential form of government. In June 2005, the Parliament of the Maldives voted unanimously to introduce a multi-party system. The Maldivian Democratic Party, MDP, dominates the political affairs of the island. Democracy strengthened in the Maldives after the 2005 elections when some opposition parties were legalized. Relations between India and its neighbors. India-Pakistan cooperation. In 1960, with the help of the World Bank, India and Pakistan signed the Indus Water Treaty. Kartarpur Corridor is expected to improve relations between the two countries. India-Pakistan conflicts. Strategic issues. India's conflict with Pakistan is also over strategic issues like control of the Siachen Glacier, acquisition of arms, Kashmir issue, Sir Creek Line dispute, mutual suspicion. Both the governments continue to be suspicious of each other. Allegations by India. The Indian government has blamed the Pakistan government for using a strategy of low-key violence. It alleges support to Kashmiri militants through arms, training, money, ISI activities. Pakistan's intelligence agency, ISI, is blamed for indulging in anti-India activities in northeast India. It is alleged that these activities are operated from secret bases in Bangladesh and Nepal. Terrorism issue. Pakistan is accused of providing protection to terrorists to carry out terrorist strikes against India. Pakistan's allegations. The government of Pakistan, in turn, blames the Indian government and its security agencies. It accuses them of fomenting trouble in the provinces of Sindh, Balochistan. India and Bangladesh, cooperation. Bangladesh is a part of India's Look East, Act East since 2014, policy that wants to link up with Southeast Asia via Myanmar. On disaster management and environmental issues, the two states have cooperated regularly. There is also a cooperative attitude on the issue of environment. India has also cooperated in providing vaccine to Bangladesh during COVID-19. India-Bangladesh conflicts. Sharing of the Ganga and Brahmaputra river waters. Bangladesh's denial of illegal immigration to India. Bangladesh's support for anti-Indian Islamic fundamentalist groups. Bangladesh's refusal to allow Indian troops to move through its territory to northeastern India. Bangladesh's decision not to export natural gas to India. Bangladeshi governments have felt that the Indian government encouraged rebellion in the Chittagong Hill Tracts and Indian government trying to extract its natural gas and being unfair in trade. Nepal and India, cooperation. A treaty between the two countries allows the citizens of the two countries to travel and work in the other country without visas and passports. India provides disaster management as well as technical and humanitarian assistance to Nepal.